I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on the double strap face mask review. This video will help you know whether the product I'm discussing in the video is legit or scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy this product or not? Friends, if you have experienced any fraud with this product, watch the video till end as I'm going to reveal a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details about this double strap face mask and why it is getting popular in the United States. Friends, here you can see this is the picture of the mask. But when it comes to buy a mask, today, people have become highly concerned because they always want a secure and snug fit mask, which not only provide them security, but it also give them a feel like they haven't wore anything on their face, because masks are creating a lot of irritability to the people who are wearing it on a regular basis, but still they are looking for an option for a better mask so that they can be protected and at the same time they can be comfy. So friends, I will discuss the details of this very mask and why it is different from other mask and whether you should buy this mask or not. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as it will boost our spirit to make such informative videos for your help. Moving further, friends, here you can see this mask is available at a very nominal price, which is USD $10. Moving further, here you can see that the shipping is free. Furthermore, here I will show you the detail that why this product has been made. Now this product, it is a non-medical face mask that comes with an adjustable straps that go around the back of your head and neck, while smooth fabric contours your face well. So it has been designed for on the move. The fabric of the product is a smooth. It is made from Ultralu fabric with some added lycra, which again gives a comfort and lightweight, so that you can easily wear the mask. It has adjustable straps. Moving forward and talking about the product features, as I've already discussed that the double strap face mask review states that it is not a medical grade mask and it has not been approved by any regulatory authority. So you have to consult the local health authority guidance on the use of non-medical grade face coverings and other steps to reduce the COVID-19 transmission. But this mask is a comfortable and breathable mask. Now you need your mouth covered, but at the same time you require the utmost breathability, which is possible only if you're wearing a mask which is comfortable enough. So this mask has a great fit and comfort. The as here you can easily see the face mask, the shape of the mask. It is an Orion like mask shape to contour your face well. Also, it has engineered pattern contours, low profile seams for a streamlined look and a comfortable fit. Center front seam provides the shape to help lift the mask away from your mouth. Washing instruction states that you can wash machine wash cold in a laundry bag, tumble dry low, wash before wearing. So it is a reusable mask. Moving further, friends, and talking about the double strap face mask review, well, I received a lot of customer reviews where one customer has clearly stated his experience with the mask, saying that the mask is highly comfortable and it has a great fabric. The Ultralu fabric with added lycra has given a great lightweight and a great fit and comfort, so that they can easily wear it without any breathability issue. Looking forward and finding out more customer reviews, the overall product has received a positive feedback. So if you are friends, if you're looking for a non-surgical mask during the COVID-19 situation, mask which you can wash and reuse again, a mask that comes with a comfy fit along with adjustable straps and proper breathability, you can easily go for this cheap and superior quality mask. This is a legit product, friends. So this, you can shop it from the lululemon.com website. But if you are looking for the money back option, all you have to do is view the link which we have given in our description box. Make sure you view the link properly, friends. Please share your thoughts on this video, like this video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.